Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are going to make spicy onion sabzi. Really easy to make, very tasty. So let's start. Heat the pan, add oil. About 1 tablespoon. Heat the oil. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Next we are adding 4 to 5. Our onions are cut lengthwise. Next add in 2 green chilies. Now let's add the spices, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Now we're going to cover it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally. So it's been about 5 minutes and you can see the onions are cooked. Now lastly we are going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and then just mix everything well. And to top it we are adding some coriander leaves, and your spicy onion sabzi is ready. So you can see your sabzi has got a beautiful color and it's so easy to make and it's really quick. All you need to do is just saute and cook your onions, and then you added your spices. Really tasty. Do try it. And the best thing is that it's very quick. So if you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are making stuffed onion. Here we have took half kg of small onion and we have peeled them. So let's begin. So let's start by making the stuffing. Here we are going to make the stuffing with the spices. We're going to start by taking 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. Now to this we are going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now mix it well. Now we're going to start by cutting the onion. Here we are going to cut it diagonally. So here we have cut all the onions. As you can see, we have not cut it all the way. Let's start stuffing the onions. We are going to take that onion stuffing. Now let's begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, pinch of hing. Now let's add in our stuffed onions. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of water and cover it and let it cook properly. So now after 2 minutes we are going to flip it over like this. Keep on flipping it after a certain interval so that all the spices and onion are cooked properly. So you can see your onions are nicely cooked, the spices are nice cooked, onions have got nice and translucent. So the sabzi is ready. So now I'm going to turn off the flame. So there you go, our stuffed onion is ready. It smells so good and it tastes really good. You can enjoy it as your meal. Today we are making Karela Pyaz ki sabzi. Both bitter gourd and onion both are really healthy and have really nice flavor, and this recipe is really instant and quick. So here we have took 1 bowl of bitter gourd. So here we have peeled it and cut it in round thin slices, as you can see. De-seeded it and then coat it with some salt and let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then wash it thoroughly with the water. What this process will do is it will get rid of the bitterness from the bitter gourd. And we have took 1 bowl of chopped onion. So we're going to start by taking 1 tablespoon of oil. Now to this we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Now to this we are going to add onion, and we are also adding 2 green chilies. Mix it well and saute the onions until it is colorless. You can see our onions are colorless. So now we are going to add bitter gourd. To this I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix it well and cover it until it is nicely cooked. Make sure to stir it occasionally. So now this sabzi is cooked properly. It is nice and soft. So let's add in the spices. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder or raw mango powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is optional. Now let's mix it all well. So there you go, our sabzi is ready. I'll turn off the flame. It is nicely cooked and it has got a beautiful color, and it is really yummy. Serve it with the meal. We have other many recipes of sabzi on our channel Shradha Cook. You can check it over there. I will also link it in the description box down below. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Hi, welcome to Shradha Cook. Today we are making spring onion potato sabzi. It's pretty simple and very tasty. For this, here we have spring onion which is chopped, 2 potatoes diced. So we're going to start by heating oil. We have took about 1 tablespoon of oil. Next we're going to add cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Next we're adding spring onion and potato. Let's add the seasoning. Salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we're going to mix it well, and now we are going to cover it. So cover it until it's properly cooked. Make sure to stir it occasionally. So this is properly cooked. Now we're going to add our spices. Half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, and stir it well. So now we're going to turn off the flame. Our sabzi is ready. So there you go. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Try it out and let us know how does it comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.